today I'm doing these two photos, and they're actually from Easter Sunday, although we had a beautiful, warm Easter Sunday, like shorts weather, which is unusual for where I live in Wisconsin, especially because was early April this year. So I took two photos of some stuff that I was doing during the day because it was so nice and warm. One of them is I took a photo of a gin and tonic that I made, and then me reading on my porch with the gin and tonic in a book. And that gin and tonic is significant because my dad used to love to drink them, and on the first warm day of the year, I usually have one in his honor. So that's where kind of the title's going to come from when I get there. So back to the layout. The striped paper that's the background paper is from Echo Park Spring, and it's the journaling cards paper. And then I mounted on that green paper, which is the Echo Park Celebrate Spring collection, and it's the journaling cards paper for that one. And I just loved how, how bright and springy the colors were for this layout, because it was a happy, beautiful Easter Sunday. That doily there is an 8-inch doily from Sunny Side Up Bakery, which is a Hobby Lobby collection, and it's actually in their cake section. I find that they're less expensive if you buy them there, and they're easy to find in lots of different colors, but sizes, lots of different sizes. So anyway, so now I am going to use these stickers from the Echo Park Spring Element sticker sheet to put the word lovely on the layout. And that came like that on the sheet. I wasn't using an alphabet. And lovely because it was a lovely day. And I did kind of play around a little bit with that. I don't want to stick those stickers to the doily because the doilies are so fragile. If you stick a sticker to it and then try to move it, a lot of times they'll rip. So that's why I was using my wax paper here. And I wanted to make sure I got it in a legible form here. All right. So then, and I oftentimes, by the way, I use two doilies on a layout when I have a paper that is that bright, that striped, because you can still see the color through the doily even with two of them, but not quite as bright. So again, that sticker sheet, the Spring Element sticker sheet, I grabbed that word hello from it. And I'm thinking I might put that in the bottom. I was thinking about that word spring lovely, but decided not to use it. The colors are just a little bit off. It's from a different sticker sheet. So I'm going back to the spring sticker sheet, and I find this watering can. Now, obviously I'm not watering flowers or anything, but that's definitely a spring looking thing. So I'm going to use that and then mount it like this. But I decided, oh wait, let's put this up on a little bit of foam tape to emphasize that corner a little bit more. So the title of this layout is actually Lovely Hello, and not that I'm saying hello to my gin and tonic. It's more I'm saying hello to my dad. It's kind of a little thing I do, as I said before, to just, it's one of the, when I have a gin and tonic, it's one of the times I think of him, because that's where I learned to like them. Or why I learned to like them, I guess. And actually, for those of you who drink gin and tonics, for me, it's not a gin and tonic. It's really a Tanqueray and tonic because that's what he liked to have. So anyway, nice, refreshing, summery cocktail. All right. So I have that down. Now, I like this jar of flowers. And it's a little bit different, but still in the same color as the other flowers. The other flowers are a little bit more rounded because this is coming from, sorry guys, it is coming from the same sticker sheet. I was thinking it came from a different sticker sheet, but it's just a little bit, the edges are not quite as soft. And then I found that butterfly from the same sticker sheet. I can't talk this morning as I'm recording this in the morning. It's not that early, trust me. And then I'm looking at this sticker sheet, or these like larger stickers from a spring collection from Photoplay. But I thought that I liked the orange because I think it works with the orange in this, but I thought it was too bright. And then I found this little tulip sticker on that Echo Park sticker sheet again. And I liked how that brought some of the blue back in from the blue in the watering can, and it matches one of the tulips in that watering can. So I liked that idea. Now, butterflies, to make them fly on your page, you can put foam tape behind the wings. In this particular case, I only put it behind the top wings, but you can put it behind the bottom wings as well. And then you just stick the center down, and then the butterfly will, quote, fly, which I think is cute. A little bit of dimension on the page that way. I tend to do this with butterflies most of the time when I have them. So then I want to use some enamel dots, but I'm loving how spring and how it's bright, but it's soft, how that's looking. And I think, you know, the perfect accent on this might be pearls, which I haven't used in a while. So I'm going on a little hunt for those. That's where I've gone. So I grab some pearls from Recollections, which is Michael's. So these are the faux adhesive pearls. And I pop 2 into the body of the butterfly there to emphasize that. And then I'm just going to add 3 into each of the clusters here. And I'm loving how they looked. I love the accent of these pearls. And I think these are all the same size. I'm not using any different sizes here. I just love the specialness of what they look like. All right, you guys, so there is the finished layout, and here's a still shot and a couple of detail shots